So in this video, we will see the important chapters and the topic for IAT and NEST 2023 chemistry section. Now, I hope you all know that our predictions have been very accurate. Last year, 10 to 15 questions were repeated in IAT and NEST examinations. इसके अलावा मैंने फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ बायो सभी के लिए चैप्टर्स बना रखे हैं. I have also made analysis video, so please check those video also if you want to prepare for NEST or IAT 2023. We also have courses. We have been guiding students from last 2 years. We have All India Rank 1, All India Rank 12, All India Rank 13. We have more than 400 students, almost 200 students last year, and 200 more students in 2021. Total more than 400 students in different top research institutes in India, including all 7 IISers, NISERs, ISI, CMI, etc. Okay, now let's come to the important topics and chapters for chemistry. Why I am making these videos? Because very less time is remaining, only 2 to 3 months are remaining, right? So you cannot cover whole of the theory, whole of the syllabus, right? So these are the chapters you must focus on. Coming to inorganic chemistry, so first is chemical bonding. The questions will come from hybridization, geometry, shape of molecules, then VSCPR theory and molecular orbital theory. These are the most important topics. Coming to coordination compounds, at least one and even two questions can come from here, guaranteed. Here also, even 2 to 3 questions can come from here. Then, what are the important topics in coordination compound? Werner's theory, valence bond theory, hybridization and geometry of coordination complexes. Then crystal field theory, especially the magnetic properties, whether it is going to be paramagnetic, diamagnetic and all. And then coordination isomerism. Now coming to the periodic properties. So also, as you have seen, right, in my analysis, that equal weightage is given to physical, organic and inorganic in both NEST and IAT, right? So here the periodic properties, the important topics trending are, trends in the atomic radii, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy and electronegativity. Then understanding is important, because then these different problems will be also asked in the coordination chemistry as well as in the block chemistry of SPDF blocks, right? Coming to physical chemistry, so you have first of all thermodynamics. This is the top priority. Thermodynamics is guaranteed 2 to 3 questions, guaranteed. Okay, from where? From work, heat, thermodynamic equilibrium constant, Gibbs energy and entropy. Chemical kinetics, one question guaranteed, I am telling you. Okay, one question guaranteed. Especially you must know the derivation of order and rate reactions, rate equations for different order of reactions. Then graph of different orders, exponential graph or straight line or with respect to logarithm, all those graphs. Then Arrhenius equation is very important. Okay, let me raise this. Coming to electrochemistry, so again 1 to 2 questions can come from here. Faraday's law, Colrosh law, Nernst equation and thermodynamics of electrochemical cells. Nernst equation is particularly very important. Okay, very important. Coming to atomic structure, again important topic. One question guaranteed, I'm telling you, one question guaranteed from here, from either quantum numbers or Boas model or de Broglie wavelength or Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. All of these are easy things. If you just study them, they are going to come and you will be able to crack it. Coming to organic chemistry, so many people face problem in organic chemistry, right? Let me tell you from where questions are going to come. First one is GOC, top priority. I'm telling you, top priority. 1 to 2 questions guaranteed. I think actually 2 questions will come from GOC. From where? Electronic effects, stability of anions, cations, etc., based on the inductive resonance hypoconjugation effect. Then acidity and basicity of order of various molecules based on electronic effects. Nucleophilicity, electrophilicity, reaction mechanism. Intermediates, as I said. And then IUPAC nomenclature. Sometimes it gets asked in IAT, generally not in NEST. Then stereochemistry, very important. And finally, this is the foundation, right? So you should have good understanding of GOC. Coming to carbonyl compound, this is the second most important topic. Okay, most important topic. Carbonyl chemistry. So here aldehydes and ketone, oxidizing and reducing agent, interconversion of different functional groups, carbonyl to, let's say, let's say carboxylic acid or ester, or acyl group, or amide group, and all those things. This is very important. Then nucleophilic addition to carbonyl compound. This is very important topic. And finally, amines. Coming to biomolecules, this is a very easy, relatively easy topic. I think you should have knowledge about it, especially carbohydrates, Haworth projections, preparation and reactions. And this is very easy chapter, right? Biomolecules and amino acids. Amino acid is very, very important. Amino acid. Okay. Again, summarizing this whole thing, something that you should not miss at any cost. What you should not miss? I told you so many things right here. कुछ करो ना करो, इसको तो जरूर कर लेना. कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री के ये टॉपिक्स, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स के ये टॉपिक्स, केमिकल काइनेटिक्स का ये टॉपिक्स, कार्बोनिल केमिस्ट्री के ये टॉपिक्स, केमिकल बॉन्डिंग के ये टॉपिक्स. ये 5 चैप्टर आप अच्छे से कर लो, कोई नहीं रोक सकता आपको बहुत अच्छा स्कोर लाने में केमिस्ट्री में. These are the most important topics. I'm telling you so many times. These are the most important topics in chemistry. Whether you do anything or not, this is the most important thing. Okay, I hope this video was useful to you. Remaining videos like physics, chemistry, math, bio, I have made all the videos. You can go and check in my playlist, IAT and NEST mission IAT and NEST 2023. If you want to purchase any of the course, crash course will be coming in March. We already have Spartan 2.0 course that you can already watch, and you can already buy it. The crash course is included in that for free. In our crash courses, there is live class, recorded class, doubt clearing class in the Google Meet face-to-face interaction, and so many things. Level 1, level 2 exercise, everything is given to you until the day of the exam, and even after the exam, we'll help you with the counseling. Regarding any updates about the NEST, IAT, ISI, CMI, you will get in this channel. So please like and share this video right now. All the best. See you at iiser or NISER.